back to the channel. This video is about as spontaneous as it gets, because I literally did not even know this burger existed till just I went to the drive-thru at Wendy's. It is the loaded, I'm reading it. It says, I don't even know the name of it. I seen it and I had to have it and I had to show you. So it's the loaded Nacho double cheeseburger. I've got the double. And it has, what all does this thing have on it, guys? It actually looks like they made it right, too, just from what I see in the picture. Which is, if you know my history with these reviews in fast food restaurants, I haven't had much luck getting the burgers and whatnot, or whatever I get that made right. So, A+. It's got tomatoes, American cheese, lettuce, of course 2 burger patties. It's on a jalapeno cheddar bun. Look at that. I can't get the top. Oh, there. Can you see that? It's on a jalapeno cheddar bun, and it looks like it's got some spicy chipotle sauce. And let's see, spicy corn and tortilla strips. Okay, yeah, I see them. Half of them fell off into the wrapper there, but that's okay. So yeah, that's what it is. I did not know they even had this. I don't know when it come out. So if you're out and about and want to go through Wendy's, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. So for you, and I'm gonna get my wrapper here because I know this is gonna be messy. This is definitely gonna be messy. Gonna make a mess of my truck again. Let me get a bite for you guys. We'll see how much heat is in this. Not getting any heat. Got good flavor though. You know how I feel about Wendy's burgers. They're generally pretty dry by nature. But yeah. Another bite. See if I can get some more flavor in there. There's a little heat there. I feel it coming on. It's not bad. Overall, the sauce there's a little heat to the sauce. It's definitely got a spicy kick to it. Very manageable. If you know me, I'm not big on hot stuff. But yeah, you know me, I don't like it real hot. So that's actually pretty good. A little bit of heat on the backside, and I feel it in the back of my throat, not really in the mouth. I'm giving this a mostly okay, guys. I kind of like a little. Get another bite, just to be sure. I'm definitely going to eat this. Yeah. I think it's pretty good. You like that nacho? It's got American cheese on it. I don't get the nacho thing. I don't know. It is what it is. Pretty good sandwich. Haven't tried it. Give it a try. And yeah. Guys, thank you. I did not know I was going to do this review. I literally was thinking about coming over here to the park after getting a burger and eat my lunch and take a little short nap. I still might take that nap. Thank you as always. Hit that like button if you don't mind. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. It'll notify you every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you as always. I love the burger. Give it a try. God bless you. Bye bye.